The military blue Air Jordan 4 is shaping up to be one of the biggest releases of 2024, but despite stock numbers being well over 1 million pairs, getting a pair of these for retail won't be an easy task. So in order to secure a pair of military blue 4s, a lot of people are going to be relying on aftermarket sites such as StockX, GOAT, and Flight Club, but before you place your order, there are a few things you might want to consider. Number one, understand that this is a major release, so I can guarantee you that several factories will be involved with producing this shoe. We've seen it in the past with LN3, LNM, LN4, and SZ. They all had a hand in producing the reimagined Jordan 4. So if you're binge watching a bunch of real versus fake videos and realize that your factory code does not match what you see on screen, the shoe could still be authentic. Number two, there could be different variations of this shoe, and for a big release like this one, the idea isn't too far-fetched. One sneaker that stirred up so much controversy in this regard was the Gratitude 11. If you lived in the United States, most of the retail pairs, if not all, had a milky outsole, while the European pairs had a yellow outsole. Unaware of the differences between the two, a lot of customers were accusing StockX, GOAT, and Flight Club of selling fake or replica sneakers. And to be honest, unfortunately, a lot of customers still feel that way.
To this day, you just sit here, you don't know what I'm talking about?
So I say that to say, don't expect anything different with the military blue 4s. I wouldn't be surprised if there's some pairs out there that are authentic, that have a darker gray mudguard around the toe box, or maybe a grayish blue upper as opposed to the off-white upper that's described on the box label. Speaking of box labels, this segues perfectly into number 3, which is the box labels may be different. As we look back at the reimagined Jordan 4s, some of the boxes had the men to women size conversions, while other boxes just had the men's sizes listed. The latter was believed to be pairs coming from the European market, so even though it's possible to get a fake pair from one of these sites, you could still end up with an authentic pair just from a different market or factory. So if this is a must-have sneaker for you, then I'm really hoping that you're able to grab a pair of these for retail. If you got something useful out of this video, definitely drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload new content. Until then, stay fresh, blessed, and free of stress, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.